Alright, hello from the Hall of Fantasy. Today is a cold day in Vegas, and instead of my usual bicycle ride out there into the Clark County Wetlands Park, I'm making some bread. I bought this at the Walmart, Italian bread mix. You just add water. Let's have some fun. It's my first time using this mix, and it should be interesting. Let's make this bread. First step, we take 3/4 cup of warm water, pour into a bowl. And then we take this lovely packet of yeast and just sprinkle it on top, and then come back in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes since I've entered the yeast and the water together. So now I'm going to dump in the bread mix, mix it up, and let's see what happens. Let's see. First though, I'm going to do this first. Get the yeast kind of spread out a little bit. And then we're going to dump in, what does it smell like? I like flour. It looks like it's ready to be placed into a lightly oiled bowl. Okay, so the bowl has been cleaned and dried. I'm putting a little bit of olive oil. That's lightly oiled, right? A little bit of olive oil into the bowl. Here's our ball of dough. Into the olive oil, let it stay covered for about 2 hours for it to rise, and then we'll be back. All right, you guys, it's been a while, and it looks like this bad boy has puffed up quite a bit. Check it out. Woo! So we're gonna pour this baby out into the just popped right out. How about that? Okay, so now it says to cover it, let it rise, and into the oven. And next time you see this guy, he'll be nice and cooked. All right? All right. All right. Hey, you know, it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at this thing a little closer. The interior. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. Well, let's take a bite. Taste-wise, not bad. I think the bread mix cost like maybe $2. So for a $2 bread mix, and I only had added in just some water, and that was it. A little oil and a little flour just to for kneading. It ain't bad. Is it great superstar quality? No, not at all. Is it nice for a one-off thing? Sure, why not? All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like I always say, if you see me outside, no. Like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. Hope you like it. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. And a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, share this video.